I can't believe it's almost 2025. I have some amazing New Year's Eve decorations you can make using things you may already have around your house and inexpensive things from the craft store. So let's get started. Here's how to make a fun confetti popper for New Year's. Watch till the end to see how great it works. Cut the end off a reused balloon. Wrap it around the end of a paper tube. Cover with decorative paper and secure the balloon with duct tape. Fill with confetti. Pull back the end of the balloon and shoot out your confetti. Isn't that fun? Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year! There's still time to make 2025 New Year's glasses. Watch to the end to see them in 2 different colors. Download the free printable pattern in the description. These are so easy to make, they only take about 5 minutes. Trace the pattern onto a glittery cardstock. Trace it a little larger than the pattern because you want the glittery cardstock to show. And cut out the pattern. Glue the 2025 on top of the glittery cardstock. I like to use a quick drying, clear craft glue. Cutting it out larger than the pattern makes a nice glittery border. Cut out the holes for the eyes with the craft knife. Bend the sides of the glasses. That's where the arms are going to go. Now glue on the arms with hot glue. The hot glue makes the arms very sturdy and it dries very quickly. Look how durable and nice this looks. If you want to add a little more sparkle to the glasses, add some glitter glue, but only do this if you have time because it takes a few hours to dry. Have fun with these glasses, add any accents you like. So here are your custom-made 2025 New Year's glasses. If you're enjoying this video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps my channel, and I post new videos every week. Here is a quick and easy way to make New Year's photo booth glasses. You will need glittery paper, a paper straw, and my free pattern. Print the pattern on cardstock and cut out. Cut the eyes out with a craft knife or scissors. Either one would work great, it just depends on what you have or what your preference is. Trace the pattern on the back of the glittery cardstock. Place the right side face down and trace. Trace the top of the pattern slightly larger. Cut out the eyes with a craft knife. Draw a line between the numbers and the glasses and cut out. Glue the glasses to the cardstock with craft glue. Now glue the glasses to the top part of the glittery cardstock. This is why the pattern was traced larger, so you'd have a glittery border. If you'd like, you can add glitter glue to the numbers, only if you have time because it takes several hours to dry. Hot glue a paper straw to the mask to finish your fun and festive New Year's design. Here's how to make beautiful gift wrap for New Year's. For this design, I use glittery accents and ribbon. Glue a piece of paper and ribbon to the front of a gift bag. Print out New Year's images and decorate with glitter glue. Glue all the pieces together and fill with decorative tissue. For the next design, glue a piece of gold gift wrap to the front of a gift box. Print stars and decorate with gold paint and glitter glue. Glue all the pieces together for this beautiful gift box. I love this gift design, it's so beautiful. You can also use metallic gift wrap and decorations to create a festive New Year's gift design. This year, start a fun holiday tradition by making a New Year's time capsule. Create a list that includes your favorite things and goals for the upcoming year. Gather photos in your list and wrap it in a current newspaper. And label the box "Do Not Open Until 2026." Open your time capsule a year from now. You will be amazed at how many things have changed and how much has stayed the same. It's so easy to decorate a bottle of champagne or a sparkling cider for New Year's. You can use decorations and ribbon left over from Christmas. Just wrap the ribbon around the bottle like this. We're going to make a ribbon sash. Use a hot glue gun to secure the 2 pieces of ribbon together. Cut the tails to matching lengths. Fold the end of the tail in half and cut at an angle to make a V shape. Repeat on the other side. This makes the ribbon look really fancy. Slip the ribbon off of the bottle. Now it's time to decorate. This is the fun part. I love putting flowers on my designs. I tried to think I was going to use a red flower, but I think I want to focus more on gold. I like the way the gold flower looks, and I'm going to use a gold disco ball. I'm using hot glue to secure the disco ball. I'm going to add some leaves to give it a little bit of color. I like to trim the stem off the leaves and the flowers so they lay flat, and I'm hot gluing them to the ribbon. I'm going to add a little more sparkle to this design by adding rhinestones to the ribbon. I'm using craft glue to attach. Look how beautiful this came out. This will fit on any bottle of wine, champagne, or sparkling cider. And it's so easy to make with things you may already have around the house. Here are some more of my designs, and they only take 5 minutes to make. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!